Today we are going to discuss about a project, PLC based project named as object segregation. In this we are using three type of sensor. First is IR sensor, second is metal detector, and the third is capacity sensor. IR sensor, IR sensor, metal detector sensor or proximity sensor, proximity type inductive sensor, proximity type capacitive sensor. These sensors are used in order to segregate the material. This is our PLC and this is our relay and the distribution board or controlling board for the our project. This is DC supply, 24 volt DC supply. This is a 24 volt supply, 24 volt positive supply. This is ground of 24 volt. This is your plus 12 volt and this is your ground of 12 volt. Yellow pins are input pins, and blue are our output pins. Here we have used three sensor in output in order to check the input of the system. IR sensor will detect the object. It will provide the input to the PLC that some object has been put on the conveyor belt. This will switch on the conveyor belt. This conveyor belt will move. This object is move in on the conveyor belt. It will detected by the first sensor whether it is metal or non-metal. If it is metal, the gate will be closed and object will be drop on this bucket. If that is non-metal, it will pass through, and capacitive sensor will test the dielectric strength of the material. If the material is your of non if material is of disposable or plastic type, say you have your plastic bottle or glass, it will pass through. If object is other than that, your disposable glass or bottles, it will drop on this bucket by using this gate. This gate will be closed and object will be drop on this bucket. Let's practically check this project. Another thing, we have on switch, off switch. This is indicator for the system off and this is the indicator for the system off. Now system is off. Whatever if there is an object on this conveyor belt, say this conveyor belt, this will not detected by the system because whole system is off. This only work when system is on. This is a push button to switch on the system. This indicates that this is the push button to switch on the system, and this is to switch off the system. This is your switch on the system. We have 5 relays. First 2 relays are used to move the this motor to first 2 relays are used to drive the motor